All right, round two of I Still Hate Painting. Let's get after it. All right, there's the second I Hate Painting coat on. I'm pretty sure it's going to need a third, possibly a fourth, but it's still early. It's 10:30 in the morning. I'm fixing to go drink a cup of covfefe, and Epstein didn't kill himself. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 hours and probably put the third coat on. Man, that didn't take long with that fan blowing. It didn't take long at all. I'm fixing to put my third coat on, and I tell you, I think the third one might be the one. So let me get that third coat on and let it dry, and we'll have a look at it. All right. I Hate Painting, and it is white. 3 coats. And I'm starting to set stuff up. This little bench was in here, and it was 6 inches deeper. So I cut the back end off. I bolted a couple of vices down here that I had laying around. I may use this to work on weed eaters and such. I may put a shelf up here with a light underneath it shining down on it. I don't know yet, but that'll be one workstation. I believe I'm going to move this right over here, and then I'm going to start hanging up my tools. Oh, I am finally seeing some stinking progress. I'll tell you what, this has been, well, I'll tell you, I dreaded starting this. I knew it was going to be a big job, and I am just big jobbed out. I'll tell you, moving by myself was unbelievably tough. And it was at a time when I didn't know what my problem was, but I was weak as a kitten. And it was all my thyroid. And, I couldn't even lift a sheet of plywood. I just couldn't believe it. And I had one friend offer to help me. One friend. And I'm not complaining. But that's who you know who your friends are. I'll tell you what, when they know you're not right and you're doing something really difficult, and they offer to help. I turned it down, and the reason I turned down his help is because I was feeling so bad I couldn't move fast enough to justify anybody helping me. I had to move something and then take a break, and then move something and take a break, and then lift something and go 10 feet and stop, and then go another 10 feet and stop. But I got it all over here, and it was a monumental task considering how bad I felt. And then getting my knife shop set up and getting that trailer empty, and then this, I knew, just the thought of coming down here and starting this just was sheer dread. Depressing, to the point where it was depressing, because I knew it was just going to be another monumental task that I didn't think I was up to. But you know what? They got my thyroid medicine right. They had to remove my thyroid. And it took another couple of months after that surgery for me to get my voice back. I don't know if y'all recall that. But also to get the thyroid level right, for me to start feeling normal again, as normal as someone like me could feel. This is not bad. I'm plugging away. I'm making progress, and I'm proud of what I've done so far. I really like my cabinets. I still got plenty of room in there for storage. I am going to go through all the tools that were in here. I put in these drawers. I am going to, some of them are just like screwdrivers I never got around to throwing away. That can't be, the cheap stuff, the really cheap stuff. And I'll get around to it. But right now I got a place for everything, and a plan that's coming together. So it's not as dreadful. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to get it done, and then I'm going back to my knife shop. And I'm probably even going to paint this floor, just because I'm a neat nut. Okay, I'm going to come back out tomorrow, start hanging my tools on the wall, Low power, huh? Start hanging my tools on the wall, and when I get everything hung up and moved and out of the way, then that wall is coming down. And I'm going to run some wires and get 3 outlets back there and paint it, and then build my bench, and then I'll do this wall. And it's not going to be bad. When I pull this wall down, I'll also put that piece up in the corner. So all I'll have is 4 more pieces to put up when I finish this wall. So I would say that I am easily a third of the way done, considering especially that I had to take the time to build these cabinets. And over here, I got to take the time to not only run new wiring, but build a bench. So yeah, that's another third, and that's a little less than third. So let me break this down. I'm 5/8. I'm kidding. All right, thanks for watching. I know I talked a lot. I'm going to go throw that junk away, park my gator, feed my cat, go to the house and take a shower, and see if I can, I don't know, maybe go get some chicken. I've got the urge for fried chicken.